Welcome to the Healing Energy Guided Meditation, a transformative journey that will envelop you in a cocoon of healing and rejuvenation. Find a quiet space where you can fully immerse yourself in this experience. Get comfortable, close your eyes, and let go of the outside world for a while. Take a deep breath in, allowing the air to fill your lungs, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension or worries. With each breath, imagine a radiant light washing over you, a luminous energy that brings healing, comfort, and serenity. Visualize this healing light gently wrapping around your body, like a warm embrace from the universe itself. Feel its loving presence as it penetrates every cell, every tissue, every fiber of your being, bringing balance and restoration. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine this healing energy working its magic within you. It effortlessly flows to any areas of discomfort or imbalance, soothing and dissolving them with its gentle touch. Feel a deep sense of gratitude for your body's innate wisdom and its ability to heal. Acknowledge the incredible resilience and intelligence that exists within you, as this healing energy amplifies your body's natural healing mechanisms. As the healing energy permeates your entire being, allow it to expand beyond your physical body. Feel it reaching your emotions and thoughts, cleansing and purifying any negativity or blockages that may be hindering your well-being. Now, take a moment to set an intention for your healing journey. What do you wish to release? What do you wish to invite into your life? Visualize yourself surrounded by this healing energy, as it supports you in letting go of what no longer serves you and embracing new possibilities. Embrace the stillness and peace that envelopes you. Allow yourself to fully surrender to the healing energy, trusting that it knows exactly what you need at this moment. Let go of any resistance and surrender to the healing process. As the meditation comes to a close, take a few moments to slowly bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretch your body, and take a deep breath to ground yourself in the present moment. Carry the essence of this healing energy with you as you go about your day. Allow it to continue working within you, supporting your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Know that you can return to this healing space whenever you need a moment of peace and restoration. Namaste.